This video is going to go over logging into the Synergy Gradebook, basic navigation, and accessing students' contact information. In order to log in, enter your first, your last name, and your Windows and/or Gmail password. Click Login. Once I log in, you can see I land on a seating chart. If I navigate from left to right, you can see I have a Synergy icon in the top left corner, and then I have a prominent Home button, a Gradebook button, report card for posting grades, and then on the far right I have teacher name. I have some help, a link to help documentation, a link to the help desk within the Salinas Union High School District, and then I have a place where I can search for individual students, and then very importantly I have the question mark button, which enables me to get context-specific help about any page that I'm on. On the far left, if I hover over that button, you can see that I've got access to all the different classes that this particular teacher teaches. If I click on a tile representing a student, in this case I'm going to be clicking on Geronimo's seat. If I click on that, you can see I get another dialog box with some more information. If I click on student, this is where I can get contact information about that particular student. Again, some demographic information, parent-guardian information, emergency information, class schedule, and so on.